Alright guys, so I'm just pretty much leaving there. Welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you guys and we always smiling. We out here in Mexico. So the lady, owner of that place, she pretty much, I saw her drinking something and it looked good. She says it's called Tejuino. I almost ran across the street because I'm thinking that Jamaican standards, the cars are coming that way, but they are not. Anyway, but yeah. Told me about this drink called Tejuino, which has like corn and all that stuff for 30 pesos. I'm about to try that. Yes, uno. Please, thank you. Tejuino! First time, próxima. No. Yeah. Me hablo español un poco.
Despacito lo bloqueo.
Sí. Alright, so I'm getting one of these. So she's getting the drink cool. Wow. So that's how it's spelled, Tejuino. Ooh. I don't know what that is, but it looks good. Okay. Thank you.
¿Alza poquito el cocote? ¿Alza poquito el cocote? Porque al fondo tiene sal.
Oh, salt. Yeah, I taste.
Y poquito a poquito lo vas revolviendo con la nieve.
Mix, mix, mix. Okay, I will do that. So she'll add chili. You? How you like? Yeah. So she's adding chili. Gracias. So they're listening to Sean Paul and I'm like, yo, me and my Kino. Like Sean. And they're dancing to it. It's like bailando to Sean Paul. I got my Tejuino and I am super excited. Anyway guys, I'm gonna walk across the street. I'm gonna try it out and then I'll tell you exactly what I think. Already, I like it. The flavor is definitely unique. It tastes like a, oh my gosh, it's definitely corn. There's definitely the hint of a tortilla. But one thing you'll realize in Mexico, they definitely love corn. Like corn is a big part, it's a big staple in their diet. You realize again, I almost got hit because like directionally I'm thinking about somewhere completely different. Oh, look at that Tejuino. It's so nice. I didn't get to film the conversation between the girl and I, but she told me that her name was Coral. Beautiful girl, very beautiful Mexican girl. Belo Coral.
Belo?
The girl that's self.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she told me her name and I told her my name. And yeah, she was very nice, very nice. So anyway, I'm gonna mix this up and then tell you guys what I feel about this. Because what she was saying is like down here, there's a lot of sea salt. So the straw is going all the way down there. It's gonna be very salty. So you have to mix everything in. When in Rome, do like the Romans do. I'm in Mexico, so I do as the Mexicans do. Alright, so one quick FYI, like as I said before, do not get your straw down to the bottom because that's where the sea salt is. When I say sea salt, I mean sea salt. I'm not talking any small granules of salt. Look at that. See that? So make sure that when you're drinking it, you don't get it down there because down there is pretty salty. Let's try this. Let me say, like when you think about corn, you're like, what? Corn in a drink? No, corn, oh no. To be quite honest, this drink is super refreshing. Once you mix everything around, You're getting mostly like a lemony taste. There's a hint of corn, which kind of makes it interesting for your taste buds. It's kind of like, wow, I've never had something like that before. The saltiness is just a little bit, and then the chile inside of it, it's like, yo, it's like a nice little bit of spiciness to it. You know, it plays with your taste buds, which is very important, and that's why you find like drinks like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and ginger beer, they do so well, because when you drink it, like, you get excited. You know, you feel the fizz on your tongue and all that excitement. It's the same thing with a drink like this. It's really good and it's super refreshing. Would I have this continuously? Yes. It's a drink that I could definitely have, especially being on the beach. I would have no problem having this a lot. Trust me. Super easy to drink. Actually, I think I would have a little bit more chile inside of it. That's how good it is to me. Wow. Tejuino. Tejuino. Wow. Alright guys, so I was just here for a second. To be quite honest, I was almost freaking out because like my mouth, like it just started salivating a lot. When I say salivating, I mean like when Jamaicans say your mouth has spring water. That's exactly how I felt. I was like, oh man, maybe I mixed too many foods together, because I just had something milky and I went and had a tejuino, but whatever. But anyway, I saw someone eating some sopa, some soup. And I was like, you know, what is that? And they were kind enough to offer me a small bowl to try. Wow, these people have been great. Wow. That is good. It consists of like a lot of beans. I think these are called lentil beans, I'm not sure. But it's good. I've had a soup like this before at an Italian restaurant, so it's nothing new to me really. But it's good. I can taste like a little bit of pork or something, I don't know. If there are any Mexicans here who finally start watching these videos, please like comment, like tell us what the name of these things are, because I'm not so sure. I just know it's soup, and it's a really good soup too. Wow. So I just spoke to the chef just now, and she told me what it is. It's a kind of bean, water, tomatoes, onions, and bacon. Bacon was a meat. I was like, yo, what is this? But it's bacon, so you can imagine it has that bacony flavor. And yeah, typical things that I think come in, you know, most soup. Us as Jamaicans, you know, there's no yam or dumpling, but it's good. It's good. It's a very light kind of soup. It's very easy to eat. It wasn't like super hot. It was just like a nice warm temperature, so perfecto. I literally can hardly walk, not just on the food, but because of that long walk I did to Walmart the other day, like my shin on my right foot, sorry, had a little bit of sprain to it, but I'm trying to still head to the gym nonetheless. And yeah, I didn't want to leave from that place because I was like so relaxed and just so chilled out, which really is the purpose of this trip as well, to just, you know, get some time to relax for myself and at the same time grow the channel and all that. But yeah, I saw 2 customers taking up 2 of the tables, and then my table was like the only one left. And that's one thing that you have to also understand as a traveler, like don't overdo your stay. You know, even though they're very nice with me and they're very kind and whatever, it's still a business and I want to give them their space. You know, they were very helpful, letting me try the soup for free and all that, and just being, you know, generally kind. Yeah, there goes the barber shop that I saw yesterday, I believe. I do realize that I didn't bring like my shaver, even though I don't have a lot of beard and all that. But if I do need to, you know, get a cut, it'd be great to get like an old school cut from those people there. Alright, so we just done work, a little quick workout, about an hour, and yeah, about to leave. Yo, quite frankly, the gym isn't bad. Like it's a bit different from my yard still, but that gym I kind of enjoy it still. I'm not gonna lie. People that go there, kind of retro looking and stuff, but the machines them work. And what I like is when you go to like a different gym and like the machines are a bit different. You know, it's like you get a different kind of exercise. But anyway, I'm out. Man, I just got back home. Went to the Walmart, picked up a few desserts, and got some milk. That was like a whole day affair, because I know what milk is, leche, but the other stuff that was on the bottle, like I didn't know which one is like whole milk. Like all the milk said no lactose, and I'm like, I'm not lactose intolerant, so I can drink that milk. But yo, stop, let's pause the video right there. Definitely not the milk I was looking for. This tastes like, I don't even know, like there's something missing. They took the milk out of the milk. This just tastes like water. Yeah, I picked up the wrong milk. It was a pretty good day. I know I did tell you guys that I want to take you guys to the beach, but nah, I went to the gym and I got pretty tired after that. But tonight, hopefully, tonight I'm gonna do one or two things. It's either I'm gonna go find a taco place that the guy had spoken about, or I will go to the nightclub called Mambo or something like that. And then tomorrow, definitely the beach. Like tomorrow won't be focusing on no food vlog or nothing like that. Tomorrow definitely la playa. Yeah, but anyway guys, remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep the link.